She must have been desperate. Hey, no judgment, sister. No judgment. Happens to the best of us. You know? Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier. Today we're gonna be watching Challengers. This is the 24th, 2024 movie. Won the Golden Globe and it stars Josh O'Connor, Mike Faist, and Zendaya. Luca Guadagnino. Tennis movie. Lots of lore about it. I just have a vague general idea about it. Synopsis is to jolt him out of his recent losing streak. A tennis player turned coach makes her world famous Grand Slam champion husband play a challenger event against his former best friend, who also happens to be her former boyfriend. Right. Lots in this. Let's get into it. Oh, interesting. Okay, so that's we're gonna flash. I don't remember what it's called, but that's like a thing where we're gonna go back to that flash forward. Yeah, something like that. I think that's the term. August 4, 2019, 6 p.m. Alright. The color was not helpful. Like that was kinda
We have Art Donaldson.
Patrick and Art. Cool.
First set. Donaldson to serve.
Okay, so this is Art Donaldson. Cool. And Josh O'Connor is playing Patrick. Yeah.
15 all.
Cool. Okay, we're gonna zoom in on Zendaya. Gonna assume that scar is from a knee surgery.
15-30.
Oh, the music was hitting. Not gonna lie, the music was hitting right there. Okay, so she's with Art currently. He's the current boyfriend. Alright.
Ryan, we have the practice court booked at 8, so we should probably head out in about 15 minutes.
Yep, be ready by then. US Open.
Feels like he needs this win. Remember what he's going for this year. He's got the 6 Grand Slam titles, 2 at Wimbledon, 2 Aussie Opens, 2 French Opens, but he has been chasing in vain for years that elusive US Open title to complete the career slam.
Coach Tashi Donaldson, who also is his wife, has added a couple people to his team. He's got a new physiotherapist, and he's
Oh, wife, not boyfriend. Oh, my bad.
Into that mindset.
exactly.
They have a daughter?
Did you see that look? It's gonna crush me, huh? Don't think about it, Leo.
Okay, what's going on here? Just waiting for the match to start, I guess.
They're ready for you. Decimate that little bitch.
Oh. Alright.
God damn! Oh my god, what is that?
I like that little switch. It's interesting that the slow motion then just right into the action.
Demoria the confidence he needs. Ouch. This is getting brutal.
Oh, he's losing.
He was playing really well.
I mean, I get it.
Pulling you out of Cincinnati. I would have killed to have a recovery like yours. I literally fucking stabbed someone. A child, an old lady.
I believe you. I believe her.
She likes it here.
We could keep staying here.
We can travel. We can do the foundation full time. Or you can keep being a tennis player. Which is what you are. Still. What do you want?
I'm gonna be a tennis player.
Good. How about New Rochelle? There's absolutely nobody on the other side of the net who can shake your fucking confidence.
Very bad. Very, very, very bad. Bad.
Okay.
Okay.
Phil's Tire Town Challenger.
Okay, so that's why they're there. Got it, got it.
I love you.
I know.
Oh. Not seeing it back. Alright. I get her vibe. I get her vibe. Chill, lady. Calm down.
I need a place to stay tonight so I can rest before my first match.
I'm sorry.
What if I signed a racket and gave it to you?
Sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, I don't know who you...
Yeah, that's not gonna work, buddy. You need money.
Hello.
Okay, so this guy's a bum. He's washed up. Sad. Hate to see it.
Sir, you can't sleep here. I'm gonna have to ask you to leave.
No. I'm in the Challenger. I'm a player.
Oh. Well, you're a bit early for check-in.
He was very early. Sleeping here early, in fact.
I was one of the line judges of the Junior U.S. Open back in '06.
Huh. Wow.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Man, the guy's done his luck, damn.
Fingers crossed.
I was wondering, is there any chance for an advance payment on the prize money?
No.
You could. Just always lose today. Then we'd have to cut your check this evening.
That is true.
There's a rumor going around that we had a last-minute wild card. Wanna guess who it is?
Okay, we're getting some background, Nice. Watch the language,
Hold
brody.
position, Audible obscenity. Warning, Donaldson. Advantage, SWAT.
Oh, they're doubles partners. I guess they're supposed to be like teenagers here or something like that.
I'm at peace with the fact that you're going to win. It's not a fact. I'm just saying. Throw me a couple of games. Maybe a set. My grandma, she's going to be watching with her nursing home. She keeps calling me, telling me how proud she is.
Don't guilt me with your dying grandmother. She's in another league.
You mean her game?
No, I mean she's the hottest woman I've ever seen.
Tashi Duncan. Duncan won the toss and elected to serve.
Look at them only focusing on her.
Look at that fucking back.
So I'm guessing is that she was like a hot shot rising star, and then she got like that knee injury that just wrecked her career. She couldn't play anymore. Bro, they are in love. So like 2006, yeah, around that. That's 13 years.
No, she's a pillar of the community. I'd let her fuck me with a racket.
Wow. I need to look at the age stuff for Junior US Open and stuff like that to get an accurate picture of the age profile here. But I'm thinking they're teenagers. What kind of teenager? Like under 18 to 20, 18 to 19, I don't know.
Hey, I'm Patrick Vi.
Art Donaldson.
I know who you are. You're Fire and Ice. Which one's which?
What do you think?
I felt bad for Anna.
Oh, don't. She's the sore loser, racist bitch.
Okay.
I just accepted my offer and they mentioned you.
You're not going pro?
No, not yet.
Why do you waste your time playing college tennis?
It was nice meeting you both.
Yeah.
She can tell they're both into her. Okay, very obvious, man. Come on, guys.
You don't want to stick around, try to talk to her again?
That'll seem too desperate. We should just wait for the shuttle back to the hotel.
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Why do you want to go beat up on a bunch of girls who are the best players at the high schools?
Valid. Should go pro.
You know they offer classes in college? I don't want my only skill in life to be hitting a ball with a racket.
You're making us wait for you. The 18-year-old tennis phenomenon who cares about her education. You can already see the Adidas campaign.
And when are you going pro?
Hitting a ball with a racket is a great way to avoid having a job.
Because you think that tennis is about expressing yourself, doing your thing. That's why you still have that serve.
It worked.
Yeah, but you're not a tennis player.
Oh.
What is it?
It's a relationship. For about 15 seconds there, we were actually playing tennis. And we understood each other completely. So did everyone watching. It was like we were in love, or like we didn't exist. We went somewhere really beautiful together.
Are you on Facebook?
What?
He's asking for your number. Oh my.
You both want my number. Okay, well, I'm not a homewrecker.
We don't live together.
An open relationship.
Also, Patrick has a girlfriend.
I do not.
It's broken. And she's not coming.
Right.
You made it sound like we wanted to fuck her in.
We do want to fuck her in here.
Okay, yeah, maybe, but keep shooting our shot until she ends up making out with one of us, hopefully, and the other one sits in the bathroom.
Sure, if it came to that. Sending me
She's
away.
not coming, Patrick.
That's her. Answer the door, Ren.
Hi.
Hey.
Did you guys go to, like, mommy and me classes together? And even if I could get a scholarship or something, there's no way that my parents would want me coming of age in an environment like that.
Why? What were they afraid of?
Oh, you two. Okay, alright.
We usually have different types.
So you're saying I should be flattered?
Well, no. Aren't you everybody's type?
Oh, wow, okay.
What about the two of you?
What do you mean? No. No.
Well,
No.
I mean,
No.
I taught Art how to jerk off.
Oh, wow.
Okay, Patrick was an early bloomer, okay, and I think that I was on time. He thought I was asleep, and he was, you know, jerking off. And yeah, and I asked him, "What are you doing?" And he told me. And so he showed me how.
Oh, interesting.
What do you mean he showed you how?
That's a very good question.
I mean, he did it on his bed.
Okay.
I did it on my bed. We did it together, but like on opposite. About this girl, Kat Zimmerman, and so I thought about her too.
Wow, okay.
And who finished first?
Oh, I don't remember.
You.
Wow, damn.
He was just sitting there, covering all of it. He looked like a kid who spelled. Which one of this?
Okay, so this is the scene. Alright, this is the scene. Okay. Wild. Very wild. That's all I can say right now. I'm sure it's gonna get even wilder. She seems very proud of herself. And they just did that unprompted. Yep, unprompted. They were just gagging for it.
I'm going to bed. I will be watching your match tomorrow. Whoever wins can have my number.
Wow.
You can beat him. You know that? You should beat him, actually. I want to watch some good fucking tennis.
Remember when you said you'd let me win?
That was a lifetime ago.
What about my grandmother?
I hope she has a fucking stroke.
Oh. Oh, the line judge.
Love. 40 love. Game in first set. Drive leads. 1 set to love.
Oh, thanks for that. Set break. Okay, thank you for advising us that it's a set break. $70. Damn. Dude, this is not. Oh, bro is desperate. Is he gonna try to what's it gonna get? Hobo lifestyle kind of thing? Try to just like sleep in our bed tonight.
You, like, play
All
at
right.
Wimbledon or the U.S. Open.
If I win this thing in New Rochelle, the ranking will be high enough for the Open.
So you'll get a spot.
I'll get a spot in the qualifiers.
Okay.
Yeah. Fancy.
Really, it's interesting. Excuse me. I deal with trusts and power of attorney.
Dude, you can't be looking at her. You're trying to find a bed tonight.
Art can't see us together. He already thinks I planned this to humiliate him.
Didn't you?
No, she did not.
Not this part. Are you on a fucking date?
Well, yeah, but it's not. I just need a place to sleep. What?
Wow.
Ken, I'll stay at the Ritz. I don't think we have to worry about that.
No, you typically fall apart in the second round.
Oh, damn.
And
Sorry, that was a,
I can't believe that worked. Wow. She must have been desperate. Hey, no judgment, sister. No judgment. Happens to the best of us. You know?
I'm not asking you to tell me. I'm just saying, if you fucked, serve like me.
They didn't do a normal serve.
second set, Donaldson to serve.
All right, let's go, let's go, let's go.
So when are you going pro?
Well, if we win the championship, then I'll leave.
So May.
I said if we win.
Right. So May. I'm just surprised that you guys are still seeing each other. That's all.
Why is that?
He's not in love with you.
What makes you think I want someone to be in love with me?
Oh.
Did I ever say I was in love with him?
You didn't.
So why would I give a fuck if he loved me or not?
I guess you would.
Cool.
Cool. Don't you think you deserve it?
Jesus fucking Christ.
He wouldn't be in love with you.
Because you are?
You might be the worst friend in the world.
Maybe.
Definitely.
That went well. Very, very well.
Oh yeah, that's all I'm saying.
Fucking snake. Honestly, I'm proud of you. It's fine. It's exciting to see you this way. What's been missing for your tennis?
What?
You're playing percentage tennis. Waiting for me to fuck up.
So that might be his problem for real. Percentage tennis. He's not playing full out. Makes sense.
I have no idea how long lead is on tour.
Yeah. Is that why you haven't won any challenges?
Zendaya looks very hot. Extremely. 10 out of 10.
I feel bad because I know he's in pain.
Right? He's good looking.
Yeah.
And he's really fucking good at tennis.
He's always been very good. The two of us still playing for your number? I thought I won.
Not permanently.
I always think you won before the match is over.
Were you talking about tennis?
I'm always talking about tennis.
What are you doing?
I'm ready for my match. Start my routine. I'll see you there.
I don't walk around calling ourselves the Dunkinator.
Wow. There's plenty of girls out here that would love to be your girlfriend. Talented, you got a big dick, just go be with one of them.
Damn!
Fucking country club from Pepperdine.
I was coasting by on talent going for you.
I'm not some fucking lapdog who's gonna sit around and let you punish me. I'm not art.
Oh!
You're not a member of my fan club?
No.
I'm your peer. I'm your fucking groupie and I'm definitely not your student.
Intriguing. I just love the relationship dynamics here. She gonna make a move in art. Oh, she's wearing. Sorry, he's wearing her shirt. Lens flare. Oh my! Wow. Jeez. Does she get injured there?
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
Damn!
Damn. Damn. I said she'd get injured, but it did actually. She didn't get to go pro.
Get out! Tashi, listen,
Out!
please.
Out!
Patrick, get the fuck out!
That was in.
That was out.
No, that was in.
Are you blind?
Why?
Are you here to do your job, or you're just excited that Art Donaldson's over there? This lady wants your autograph.
Code violation, unsportsmanlike conduct, point penalty, Zwei.
You freaking hurt me?
Probably, yeah. I will be.
Pussy.
Very believable from her. She's not fine. That's gotta be extremely. That's like heartbreaking. That's like you have all this talent and they just like this career ending injury. Like I just can't get back. They can't do the things you normally would be able to do. You just can't compensate for it. You just done.
Are you kidding? I wake her up early to run drills.
She's lucky to have you.
You're getting too much height on your ball top.
I am?
Oh, she's a coach now.
But you should listen to Carl. He is your coach. I'm just Katarina's sitting partner.
Maybe you want to jump ship? Come be my assistant coach.
So you want me to join your team because you feel guilty?
No.
What then?
I want you to join my team because I want to win.
Okay, fair, fair.
I think you'd beat him now if you guys played. I was a homewrecker, wasn't I?
Yes, you were.
You never really said if you're still in love with me or not.
It's a yes.
Who wouldn't be?
Of course. Of course, of course.
I really want to kiss you right now. But I'm afraid if I try, you'll think I'm the worst friend in the world.
I think she's saying you should. Okay. That's the yes.
To who?
Good point. Because he and Patrick are not friends right now. Wow.
Game in second set, Donaldson. Code violation, racket abuse, point penalty, Zwei.
Damn.
I'm gonna propose something to you.
Can you blow it away from me?
I want you to be my coach.
What?
Oh, this is the wall.
You still have a season. You still have one good season, and I need you to bring it out. What do you think?
You want my best piece of advice for you? You want me to coach you? Okay, quit.
Know that when I'm good, I'm one of the best in the
You are
world.
271st best in
I
the fucking
still have
world.
a shot.
You're 31. You have a better shot with a handgun.
Jesus Christ. Wow.
To help you achieve your fucking dream. What dreams? You never had any.
Is that what you and Art are doing? Living the dream?
That is exactly what the fuck we're doing.
How come you hate him? You do.
He is a grown man. He can do
Sure.
whatever he wants.
Sure, but he doesn't. He does whatever you want.
Ah.
Now he's not even pretending to like it.
Very true.
Who is he to you if he's not playing tennis?
So that's what you think he is to me.
Is he?
Racket and a dick.
Well, is he wrong?
Does Art know about Atlanta?
What was Alana?
I have seen you. You look like shit.
Damn. I don't think she's wrong though. How about that?
My number in case you change your mind about the coaching.
I won't.
He was hitting on a lot of points though. He is continuing to play tennis just because she wants him to continue playing tennis. He knows them. Dude's got it figured out right there about that. Him go pick up the cigarette.
Swipe to serve. Love 1.
You can tell that there is a what's it called again? Jump forward in time right there. Cause then he just like went back to relax a bit, and then he's already got his shirt on and everything. Yeah, a little bit like a minute. I could tell, or completely wrong. Who knows? Not me. The director probably knows, but oh well, whatever. Okay, so this is the Atlanta he's mentioned.
I think maybe you're still just really disturbed by the fact that she could have been into someone like me.
When we were teenagers.
Huh. When we were teenagers.
That's suspicious.
Okay, so they hooked up. That's what we can deduce from this. He's wearing her shirt. Can't believe that. Music is hitting, man. Wait, how old is his daughter?
You're right. I do find it disturbing.
There's no need, man.
We need some ages right there. Just to confirm.
Art? Mr. Donaldson?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, so you didn't actually see them kiss.
Do you realize how embarrassing it is that you are here right now?
Not quite as embarrassing as you being here.
I'm just stopping by, man. This is where you live.
Oh. Okay. Damn. Kind of true there.
I wanted to come in here and wish you luck, Art.
No, you didn't. Come on. You were trying to psych him out.
Tell me it doesn't matter.
What does...
Tell me it doesn't matter if I win tomorrow.
She can't tell you that.
No.
Exactly.
How are you going to look at me if I still can't beat Patrick Zweig?
Just like this.
I want to retire this year whether we win the Open or not.
Of course.
If you don't win tomorrow, I'll leave you. Serious, does that help you?
Weird. Weird. Is she now realizing Patrick was right? Does she think he's a loser? Oh, 5-5, 40-40. Oh, this is the shot with the... Oh, I thought it was gonna be. It's not.
Donaldson.
Oh, it might be. It might be. It might be. Where we the ball is the focus.
You can go back to my hotel. The money just came in this
I
afternoon.
am not here to fuck you, Patrick. I want you to lose tomorrow.
I'm aware of that.
No, she's asking to take a dive, bro.
I'm actually being incredibly fucking kind to the both of you right now. Okay? I'm taking such good care of my little white boy.
Time for your Uber driver to drop you back off to your family.
Messed up, man. What a relationship all three of these people have. What's gonna happen here?
You gonna hit me again? Huh?
What the? She spit on him. I like how she's in red after just doing something insanely wild. I'll say Zendaya looks insanely hot though, by the way. So you was right about that. Yeah. You're a bad wife. Cheating does classify one as a bad partner, I think. Yeah. 2 times. I don't know if they were together at Atlanta. Oh wait, no. The wedding ring, yeah. 2 times. Yeah. Fool me 1 time. Shame on me. Sorry, shame on you. Fool me 2 times. Shame on me.
You have to make him feel like he earned it tomorrow. Can't just give up in the middle of the match.
Oh, I like the camera shot. Oh. Give me a lot of vibes. Good vibes. Good vibes. Match point. Oh. Brilliant. Love that. What a shot. 10 out of 10. Okay. Music hitting again. Hitting again. Hitting again. Music hitting again. I think he's not gonna throw it. Art that's gotta win this fair and square. Dude is sweating buckets, man. Oh, that's dirty.
Deuce.
Yeah, he knows.
Fuck off!
Co-violation, audible obscenity, advantage, Zwei.
I love the artistic choices they're making. And just doing something for me. I don't know why. I don't know why. But I love it. Me gusta. Oh, where's the ball now? Okay, alright, okay. Sorry, her knee thing from earlier just freaking me out. Alright, so that was Challengers. That was very, very interesting. Okay, and just to say, Art would have lost that point, and they would have gone to another tiebreak. But that wasn't the point. I read a little stuff. The whole point of that was for them to finally be able to talk and stuff. And it's like what Tasha was saying earlier in the movie about like when she was playing Anna Muller, she was like for that 15 seconds, she was like she was in a relationship with her or something like that. So they were like talking, like communication, and that's what she was saying like on the beach when she first met and him again, Art and Patrick, when she was out on the beach and they were sitting in the chairs and everything. Okay, right, and also the Junior Open is for people ages 13 to 18. So I'm assuming Patrick, Art, Tashi, all 18. So 13 years from that, that's yeah, the 31. So makes sense. And so very good movie. I like the artistic choices that they made. The creative choices were like there was the point where the zigzag shot coming in and the whole thing where they're like playing the music and then and then it goes to that to something so they're slow motion or whatever and it just goes to something like the action or like they're switching it. I don't know, it just worked for me. I don't know why it worked for me. Luca, good job. I don't know, it just fit the tone of the movie. Like the music when they're amping up the music in certain scenes, and you just get in a groove, and then they just switch it, and then to something else. But it's kind of jarring, but in a good way, not a bad way. So you feel the vibes, you feel the rhythm, and then oh, something else. But it kind of gets you amped up, and then you're like, oh, let me focus, something like that. That's how that's how it worked for me. Anyway, so you know. But yeah, Zendaya, Josh, what the guy that name? Matt? What's his name? Hold on, let me check there. Mike, not Matt. Oops. Yeah, very good job. Yo, they were sweating bucket loads. How did I do the sweat thing? Do this like spray water in them or something like that. You feel like a fountain, like the sweat on the lens and everything. Sometimes it was like, okay guys, do you guys have a sweat problem? Like I know you're playing a lot, but whoa, that's a lot of sweat. Anyway, it's a lot of sweat, man. It's a lot of sweat. Be honest, it's a lot of sweat. I know it was and something weird to be hung, but it's a lot of sweat. But yeah, so basically the story here is they all three meet. They're competing with Art and Patrick competing for Tashi. Tashi wins her US Open. During the US Open, she decides to go to college and then she's gonna go pro. Patrick wins their US Open against Art and he goes pro. Art decides to not go pro. He goes to college, and so they meet up in the hotel room. They do a little thing. They're all kissing each other, and then Zendaya gets what she wants. She establishes that these two have something, and she's like, she looks so pleased with herself when she got them to kiss. It's like, okay, she knows, and then she's like, oh, I'm gone. I don't want to be a homewrecker. And so she's like, whoever wins gets my number. She wants to be with the winner. That's her goal. She's not about love and all that. It's like when she said to Art, who told you that I want to be in love with someone? Who told you I want someone to be in love with me? It's like she likes it, but she's not like gagging for it, you know. That's why she goes back to Patrick, because he ignites something in her that Art can give her, even though Art is giving her all this affection and stuff. But yeah, so she gets injured after this big fight with Patrick because she's trying to give him advice and everything. He's not taking it because he's like, whatever. And like, she's like, all right, bro, you're like losing all the time and everything. And it's so distressing to me because I see your potential and you're just wasting it and everything. Nah. And so Art, she gets injured. And I'm assuming she finished her degree, but then she like just be like a practice partner, coach kind of thing. That's with Art. He becomes like a very good player, not like the best ever. He's done like 6 Grand Slams, so it's winning a Grand Slam and multiple that puts you on a level. But he's not like the best ever, and like, so he's won everything except the US Open. That's his final thing, and so this tournament, the Challenger tournament, is to get him back into groove because he's been just like all of it. But Patrick is there, and Patrick is like a loser now. He's like he's never in the top 100. He's like in the 200s to the between 100 and 300. That's where he ranks. He has to play qualifiers all the time. He's not lived up to his potential, so he just like a rank and file. He just on the scene, making a little money when he get qualified for tournaments and stuff. And then in between that, him just a hustle. And yeah, so that's what it is. And then he's like sleeping with a lady for a place. He's like being a hobo. What's called homosexual. Yeah, that's it. And I was trying to remember. I just remember it. And so that's his vibe. But he still has this thing with Tashi. She's still attracted to him, and that's all bubbles up, and everything is displayed on the court. And that's what she wanted, because the only other time I think they've played, it would have been at that Junior US Open, and yeah, Art didn't do his best, but now he is in the vibe, he's in touch, and he can do his thing, and so that's what he's doing, fighting against Patrick on the court. And I thought, at the end when Tashi was shouting, I was like, oh no, she's upset. But no, she's glad because you finally connected on the court. you are now in the vibe, and now you might continue because you are a tennis player now. You get tennis now. You're not just doing it just because he's telling you. You're doing it because you want to. I think at least that's her aim right there, and that's what she's getting from it. So that's what I'm taking from it, you know. But yeah, so overall the music and everything, just hitting vibes, acting great, story. Do I like the ending? It's ambiguous. It's kind of like what I was thinking with what name there, Anora. Her ending is kind of open ended and everything, ambiguous. Kinda. Anora is less ambiguous, yeah. Thinking back to Anora now. But this is kind of ambiguous, and I'm not sure if I vibe with it. I'd give this movie like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. I liked it. I didn't love it. I really, really liked it. I rated it like a 4 out of 5 on Letterboxd. But I go on Letterboxd after this. But yeah, but it was giving me good vibes, good music, engaging story, engaging visuals. I was invested. I reacted how they wanted me to react when like injury or like movements. So you see me like cringe a little bit when they're making the twists and turns and everything because of the angles they're using. Usually when people are playing tennis and I watch a match, I'm not that concerned, but then because of it, they did detach it earlier, like ooh, a little bit wary. So kudos to you. And yeah, so good vibe, everything. Not a lot to say. I might add more in editing, I might not. But you know, I liked it. And yeah, that's all I have to say so far. I'm glad I watched it. See you for my next reactions. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Hope you enjoyed it. Watching with me. Goodbye.